Hello again. In this video we will have a look at this faulty PlayTronics Media Player. This slot here is for a hard drive, and this is a modification which I didn't do. If we have a closer look here, we can see it plays full HD videos, digital video broadcast, and also it records Dolby Digital, etc, etc. To disassemble it, we have 4 screws here, and that's all. One more screw left. Remove this panel, and now it should slide out. But first we need to disconnect these cables. There we go. More screws here. More screws again. Here we have the main processor with the heatsink on it. This is a data board for the digital TV reception, the RF stuff. A small battery here. And this is the main chip hidden under this heatsink, covered with thermal paste. Here I have another one which is already been disassembled. Same stuff inside. Except the heatsink here is missing. Let's compare the two together and see if there is any difference. No difference. Exactly the same. What I'm thinking is to reuse this enclosure for a Raspberry Pi and make it a RetroPie game console. I think it will look great. We will see. Maybe I will make a video about this. Let's have a look at the front panel. This SD card module, I can reuse it for the Raspberry Pi. Great. And let's see what's under here. Just the power switch, couple of LEDs, and the IR receiver.